guys, welcome back to my channel, and I want to show you the Hot Wheels Advent Calendar.
First day,
Here's RJ.
the Advent calendar.
Are they numbered?
Yeah, this number 1.
And we take, today is December 1st, so we're going to do number 1.
This number 1.
24 days to Christmas.
This number 1.
Okay.
Here's the name.
24 days Advent calendar.
Calendar. North Pole Quest Track.
Okay, now you got to flip it around.
Is this number 1?
There's number 1, yeah, slowly, so you don't rip
The
the other
day
one.
is December 1st.
Looks like you destroyed it. What are you doing?
Ooh, what's in there, RJ, inside?
What do you get?
And 24 days.
Oh, you pulled yesterday's out.
I wasn't yesterday.
Oh, tomorrow.
It's not.
Those are the models.
The whole thing?
Ooh, look
No,
at the other
the whole
day.
thing.
Hot Wheel.
Hot Wheels. Ooh, you can find a Santa Claus inside.
Cool. No, there's no Santa Claus. This is 16 angels.
There is.
Track.
We open RJ until 24 days before Christmas.
Opening number 2.
Ta-ra, ta-ra. There is number 2. Ooh, what's that? Oh my god, Hot Wheels sign.
Oh, it's an ornament.
Ooh,
Is that an ornament?
look at that RJ.
got a hook on it.
Nice. It's a hook.
Okay, open number 3.
Open number 3.
On the Advent
Yep.
calendar.
What could it be?
Ooh, what's in there?
I knew
Oh
it.
my goodness.
What is it? Good luck charm?
What's that? Coins? Plastic?
There's something else in here?
Nothing.
It looks like it.
It's nothing there.
Yeah.
Yes.
What does it say? Happy Holidays.
I'll have a 3 stop now here.
December 3rd. Number 3.
The first,
This
second.
was the second, so you can hang a car.
Yep. And the third.
They will
Ooh. Until 24 days.
We're opening number 4 on the Hot Wheels 2021 Advent Calendar North Pole Quest Track. What could it be this time, guys?
Number 4. Oh, the Hot Wheel.
Car. I knew it's a car.
Let's see the car open up.
Here it is. It's called Electro Shellac Light.
Okay, put it on the palm of your hand. There we go. That's nice. Okay, here we are again.
Opening number 5.
December 5th.
December 5th, number 5. The 5th midnight. And I've got
What is it?
it's a starting line lights.
Oh, okay.
Like this thing.
Okay, that's for later on we use it.
It's not for later on, you use it right now. See this?
Does it attach or just stands? It could fall real easy.
It stands. You just put it there and then the car goes beep, beep, beep.
Alrighty. Excellent.
6th day of the Advent calendar.
Yep.
What will it be? I think it's gonna be a car.
Ooh, there it is. The day 6.
Car.
Ooh, what's that? It's a car? Ooh, wow, look at that lines.
A black car.
Yep.
Okay, here we are again. The Advent calendar. Day 7.
7, the biggest one. Well, I think it's the biggest one, so what will it be? No one knows. These are always Mr. Lee's. What is this?
What is it?
A ramp.
Hold it up. A ramp. Okay. Cool. For the Hot Wheels.
And then we can fit this. Oh! We can copy this ramp right here. Oh, now it makes sense.
You're building the track.
You fit this ramp right here. And then you fit your electrocution that light and then go like that. We're now opening number 8. It's 8 o'clock. Well, not 8, but perfect. So,
December 8th.
8. What's it?
So the Hot Wheels.
I think it's a reindeer.
A reindeer.
The reindeer.
Wow. Cool.
Now we have to find other, 2 other reindeers we have
We
to
need a
find.
sled too eventually.
And we need a sled soon.
Pull the Hot Wheel.
We got a reindeer.
Okay, guys.
We're
We
opening
open
number 9.
9.
It is the first day snowing! Yay!
The day of 9.
Go watch that video of the first day snowing.
There's snow, guys. See? See the snow?
Lots of snow.
There's
Okay,
the snow,
now
guys.
And
Light
now it's time to
snow.
open it. Here it goes.
Okay.
Number 9, the super one, because it's snowing.
The day 9. There it is. What's in there?
It's another
What's
reindeer.
Oh my goodness, up to now. Look at that. Yay. Number 9. Hi guys, today the day 10. December 10.
Okay, time to open it. Yesterday we got this reindeer.
Yep, and we
So,
open now
oh,
number
babe.
10. What's in there inside? What's in there? Ooh, baby car. Ooh, my goodness, what's that?
this?
Plastic.
What is this?
What's that?
What?
Ah, the sled, RJ.
Put this on.
No, the sled.
Wait a second.
The sled.
Oh, the sled.
See?
This thing, how do you attach? Oh.
That's
like
the
that?
sled. See?
The other one
Yeah.
attached
See?
is like
Ooh,
this.
Look at that. Nice.
And then what happens? Grab a car.
Oh, of
And
course.
what do we do?
You put the car there.
We put it in these bumpy things. Put in these holes here. They're kind of hard. These is designed for this one, so put this in. Oh, there you go.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
And then we go like.
Oh, there is. That one to put the car there. Maybe it's
That's how it goes. Because that's it. The holes. That's what the picture says.
Really?
Look.
Mm.
Wait, just
There
gotta.
it is.
In a second. Just put in the cars back where they were because
Hi.
we are going to lift it up. And you know what happened when I lift up things? They're gonna get missing. So make sure they don't get missing.
Yeah.
Put every single one back. Close
Yeah.
it. And then go to the back. See?
Where? Ooh, there it is. See? It's the sled. Okay.
Here we are, Advent Day 11.
11. Number 12 is giant one, but what could 11 be? Let's see. Ready? Ready, guys?
Ready?
Open it. It's a car.
Your Hot Wheel.
Look how cool this car looks.
Hold it up. On your hand. Yeah, that's cool. Is that a duplicate? There's different paint jobs?
Yeah, I had one of these. I got one of these a very long time ago. These were one of my first cars.
Okay, this is Advent Day 12.
What could it be? Let's see. It might be like a sled. It's a sled. There's mini wheels on the bottom of it.
Hold it on your hand.
mini wheels.
How about the other side?
And then the other side, you can grab the Hot Wheel. The Hot Wheel I got yesterday, put it on. And then has mini wheels that help it go like this.
Okay, we're back.
Opening number 12.
Advent number 12.
Time to open it. What will it be? It's ginormous. I think it's a sled. It's a sled. Come out. Oh.
Okay, hold it up. Turn it around so I can see it. Is it a sled?
Okay. Yeah. Now I can put this car on here. Fits right in. It's right in the look. Now know how it moves at the bottom.
Okay, today the day 13.
Day 13. It's right here.
Ooh, there he is.
Let's see what it is.
Let's see.
First, I
Open,
get
RJ.
sneak peek.
Sneak peek.
I can't do it. Okay, whatever. Doesn't work. Okay,
Okay,
13.
13.
What could it be?
So small. 13. Maybe it's a tire.
What is this?
What's that? Ah.
Everything's not a tire, okay? Look at this thing.
Ooh, look at that.
I know what this is.
What's
Look,
that?
You put it on the car. The tires are supposed to go in the circle. There you go.
Ooh.
And look. Now know what
Whoa. See?
now know what it acts like.
What's that?
This is like, you know, like if you're going through the snow,
Yeah.
you need these things.
Yeah.
These things.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, December 14. RJ opening.
Time to open December 14th in this little small thing.
Ooh, oh my goodness. So small.
What it is.
Ooh, what's in there?
Gimme.
Ooh, what's that?
Workshop parking.
Ah, it's a sign, I think.
Oh, I see. Like, look right here. See that sign
Ooh,
right
there
there?
it is. See?
Right here.
Yeah. Look like the same.
Is it number 14? This very, very, very small thing.
Hey guys.
Today is day 15 on the snowiest day in the whole world.
Yeah, there is the snow. It's beautiful.
Now it's on the open 15. Right here.
Ooh, it's so small. What's in there, RJ? Look like a box. Ta-da! Ta-da! Ooh.
It's a car.
Oh, no! It's a car again! Look at that! Ooh, shoo! Look at that car. Wow, it's nice. Ooh. Okay, today is December 16 and RJ open
Number 16.
number 16. Here it
Right
is.
here, it's in the dark. What is this?
Look at that, there's that in there. Oh,
What is
oh
this?
my goodness.
Ah,
Let's
can I
see.
use this on? Look.
Sure, RJ first. Ooh, look at that.
Good.
Good for now. I'm still recording.
Ooh, there he is. It's fit there.
Does not fit.
It's so slip. You like that, just that.
Do.
You
Wow.
see?
Oh,
Cloud.
I don't know why it's like this.
Why?
Because like the snow,
Yeah,
what the snow does,
yeah,
the snow, it blows it over here.
yep.
When we back up, this is why until you back up. What?
Okay, guys. Today is 17.
17th.
December 17. So where's now the 17th?
Right here.
Okay.
We open number 7, number 17 right next to each other. We're gonna tear off the other part of this car.
Let's see what's inside.
That's hard.
Ta-da! Like small. Oh my goodness. Peekaboo.
What is it?
There's nothing there?
Nothing.
Oh my god. See that 17 have nothing. No. My goodness.
It says
Surprise! Have nothing. Okay. Have no 17.
It fall down here?
No, it's not golden. Oh, that's a 17.
That's what it was.
There is 17 fell down.
Gingerbread man.
Okay, here we are again. Day 18 Advent calendar.
What could it be? Open it like this because yeah,
A snowman.
it's a snowman.
Oh
It's
yeah.
a car. I never had this car.
Oh, look at that.
It's called Maximum Leeway.
Nice.
This is the side of it.
Yeah.
Front.
That's really cool.
It doesn't show it anywhere on.
Where does it go on the track? Anywhere? Just a freelance.
So if this car go there, I guess, and then this go here, and then he used to be like this, but now he's like this. And then I'm pretty sure now he's just gonna be like this.
What kind of car is that? It's not a car, is it?
It's like a stock car. Modified stock car. It looks like one of those cars from NASCAR.
Yeah, put it on the track.
There it
There
is.
you go.
Okay, today is December 19.
19. What could it be? Yesterday we got this car right here. And
Yeah.
what could this one be?
This open number 19.
Ah, it's hard.
That is big or small. Ooh, what's in there, RJ? What's in there? Oh, I see the blue stuff there.
Oh no, it's ripping.
Slowly. There you go. Ooh, other sled.
What is this?
Oh my goodness. How many sled, huh?
How many
Oh.
sleds are there?
How many now, RJ?
One is not a sled. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Whoa.
9, 10, 11.
Oh,
12.
look at that.
That means you see this car right here?
Yeah.
This car is gonna be the sleddy.
What'd you get?
Sled.
Sled.
Ooh.
And which way does it go? This way? I guess that goes this way.
Look at that.
So you put the tires on. Dip it down. And then
Ooh, there it is. Yeah.
today is actually the 21st, but we're opening 20 and 21 because we missed it. So it's time to open 21st.
Let's see.
What could it be? The snowman. I got all my calculations wrong.
Oh, snowman, look at that.
Same exact snowman right here. So that means I get to put the snowman right here.
Yeah.
And now
Yes.
21.
Okay.
What could 21 be?
We do the 21st too because we forgot yesterday. The 20. Yeah.
It's a car.
Ooh, it's so cool. Look at that nice car. Wow, mini cars now.
Mana Paso.
Oh, nice.
And
There you go.
This is my 7th duplicate of the same car.
You show the other back.
The front,
Front.
top,
This
back.
side. Yes.
under,
Yeah.
side.
Okay, guys.
We are opening 22.
Today is 22, so
What
we
could it
open
be?
RG.
Let's see. 22. Last time we got the car. Let's see if it's an accessory for the car or is it a present. I think it's the present. Look what I got.
Christmas
Get
gift.
out.
Have
Oh.
a gift, RJ. Oh no.
There's nothing inside it. You can't open it.
Yeah, plastic.
There's a piece of metal in here.
It's a
Look at this thing.
plastic.
Plastic present. Now where I'm gonna fit the present?
Where? Where you put in there?
Right there.
Okay, right there.
That's it. That's a tire in it.
Okay, guys. Today is 23rd of December.
What will it be? I think
So, RJ.
I'm pretty sure it's the Christmas tree.
So RJ, we open.
I can't even get grip of it. It's because it's the Christmas.
Let's see.
I
Your
know.
hands.
Time to open.
Yeah. Let's see if you can open. It's so hard. Ooh, what's in the way? It's a car again.
I just can't.
A car. You cannot open, RJ. There you go. Big, the 23rd, RJ.
On.
Big box. Ooh.
It's the Christmas tree.
Why you know that? Ah, Christmas tree.
Because
Huh? How you know, RJ?
because I looked inside here, there's like something sticking out there.
That's why you're picking. There is the star. Look like R. Ta-da! But it's not yellow R. That is orange.
And the Christmas tree.
Orange, yellow. Yellow.
It's golden.
Golden.
Right here.
Here is Christmas
I'm gonna
tree.
put it right here. The present will be right there.
Yeah.
Christmas tree.
Okay guys, today is 24th and RJ opened the 24th
The car is the car.
December.
Time to open the car. If I can find where you can open it.
Let's see.
Here.
Let's look like inside. Oh no, other car again.
I knew it.
Oh, why you know that?
He's called Carbonic. And over here.
Oh, the same. Look at that. So cool.
This one has like a little lighter paint scheme than this one.
Yep. Nice. Okay guys, that's it. The advent calendar of
That's
RJ.
it for the whole advent calendar.
Yep.
This is the whole advent calendar complete.
Yep. There is complete RJ opening. There is.
Well, it's not the complete because when I go over here,
Oh, that okay. Put that there. Oh,
number 1 and 2, the first
Yes.
car out of all of them.
yep, there is. That. Put it there so that all that complete. And here is the Christmas tree and the gift. And here is the car. This a snowman. And the other car.
And so many cars, they have the
And
traffic
there
light, the
is-
holder, and the working, and the gingerbread man that I thought it went here, but it went here the whole time. And
Yep.
then you got the ramp and the sleds in this car.
Yep.
And we have these tractions and this.
What's
Yeah.
that name?
This is exclusive.
Happy holiday. Okay.
And next year, maybe next year, we'll get another Hot Wheel advent calendar. Or a Hot Wheel, who know, no one knows. So, goodbye!
Okay, that's it guys. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye for now.
Manurudio.